Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to obtain a free temporary remote desktop protocol, or RDP, that you can set up and use almost instantly. Let's jump right in. But first we will run speed test for our local internet to compare the difference with the RDP. We used fast.com to check the speed. We will take advantage of Google Cloud Service. To do so, you should be logged in already to your Google account. Use the link on the description to jump in. After accessing the service, click on Activate Cloud Shell to put the command line. Make sure to enter the command line correct, otherwise it is not going to work. I advise you to copy paste the command line from the bio box. Let's wait for the command to take effect, download necessary files and set up the operation system. Usually it takes a couple of minutes. After downloading the necessary files, click on Web Preview to change the port to 6080. Then, after editing the port number, click on Change in Preview. It will take only a while to establish the connection. And that's it. Our RDP is ready to work. The good news, you won't need to install any program on your computer. It will run in a new tab on your browser. Let's jump to Firefox browser to run a speed test. Let's enter fast.com to run the test. The net speed can vary between 500 megabit and 2 gigabit. Comparing to our local internet, its net speed is way faster. Let's check our IP RDP's address and also its location. Tap hooer.net. On our case, the IP address is from Belgium. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated.